Happy Sunday, friends and families. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great. So my friends, I'm back again this week with a new video and a new recipe to share with you. Yes. Today's recipe is my homemade Zulu inspired cheeseburger recipe that I've got to share with you today. And as always, I'm pretty sure if you guys watch the video till the end, you will love this recipe and you may want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So to get started, into my bowl I've got 1 kilogram of beef mince, and next are the ingredients I am going to use to season my beef mince, and they are 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, some salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 25 grams of salted butter, 1 medium-sized egg, and finally this is the sauce that I'm going to add, which is going to take my burger to the next level. And it's called smoked chipotle Tabasco sauce, if I'm saying it right. Yeah. Yes guys. Oh, there are people laughing around me here because it wasn't easy for me to pronounce these words, but yes, that's how the box looks like. And if you are living in the UK, you will easily find this in Tesco or Morrison. I got mine at Tesco supermarket, so check it out. And if you are not living in the UK, you may find it in your local supermarket. They come in different style, and I am using the smoked version because that's the one that got the most flavor. This is what will take my burger to the next level, and I will be using 2 tablespoons of this sauce. And to that, I'm going to give it a good mix until it's well mixed. Then I will cover it and let it marinate for at least 1 hour, and that is to allow all the ingredients to blend well with the mince. Okay guys, so while the mince is marinating, I'm going to show you some quick add-on that I will be adding to the burger. And the next ingredients will be some thin cut beef steak, which I will be grilling it alongside the burger. And also I will be adding some smoked bacon, and also I will be adding some fresh tomatoes slice, some fresh onion slice, and a bit of fresh lettuce. Finally, I've got these yummy, delicious caramelized onions, which I've made it myself using some ground black pepper, some salt to taste, a bit of olive oil, and finish with the smoked chipotle Tabasco sauce. And those were the ingredients I used to fry it with the onions until the onions become caramelized, prior to achieving this delicious looking caramelized onion sauce. And I will be using it to add on to the burger when it's done. And next is my spiced chili cheese. Normally it's supposed to be a firm cheese made locally in South Africa, which is called halloumi. And unfortunately I tried everywhere to get that halloumi cheese and I couldn't find it. So I have to settle for this spicy chili cheese instead, and I can guarantee you guys it's also delicious if you add it to your burger. So give it a try and let me know in the comment section below. And next, it's been 1 hour since my mince is marinating, and as you guys can see, is well marinated. Now Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. So it's time to start creating our burger. In this part, you could form your burger shape using your hand or use any other method that suits you to create your burger. As you guys can see, I am simply using my hand to get this done. Okay guys, so now that I've finished creating my burgers, I'm now quickly going to season my steak using some steak seasoning, some grounded black pepper, and a bit of salt to taste. Then I'll follow up by giving it a good wrap until it's well coated, and I will set it aside for later. And while the steak is marinating, I'm going to quickly fry my smoked bacon until it's well fried, and I will also set that aside for later. And now that the smoked bacon has been fried, it's time to finally start grilling our burger. Yay! I like my burger very well cooked, and in this part is really up to you. If you don't want your burger well cooked, simply just cook it to your desired taste. So I'm going to carry on cooking until the burger is cooked. And once the burger is cooked, just simply add your cheese on top, then followed up by placing your steaks aside. And because the steak is not all that thick, it won't take time to cook at all. So now that my steak is on cooking as well as the burger, I'm going to quickly toast my buns as everything is almost ready. Yum. Et voila guys, our spicy Zulu burger is ready. So it's time to start serving. Yay! Oop, I forget to put my caramelized onions here, so I'm going to add my caramelized onions, then followed by putting the burger on top and more caramelized onions on top. Then add some fresh tomatoes, some fresh onions, and the lettuce. Followed by adding the steak on top, and then adding more caramelized onions and another burger on top. What do you think, guys? And I will finish with my fried bacon. And there we go, guys. I'm going to secure this burger by pinning it with a skewer, then followed up by cutting it. Et voila, our Zulu spicy burger is ready. Look at how juicy that burger is. Yum. Alright, friends and families, this brings the end to today's video. I hope you've liked today's recipe, and if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think. And don't forget to share the video with your friends and families. And also, if you are new to my channel and if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much for tuning up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think. And also share my videos with your families and friends. Alright, friends and families, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.